England has a constitution, Scotland has a constitution, and when these people who don't like the fact that we have a constitution reference we haven't got one, I always say to them, so have we got a constitutional monarchy if we don't have a constitution? And the constitutional element puts all these pieces in together. So just to make sure everyone understands this, our late and gracious Queen, Elizabeth II, put into legislation, enacted a piece of legislation, assented to a piece of legislation on the tricentenary of the English Bill of Rights in 1988. And that was basically called Section 134 of the Criminal Justice Act, 1988. And what it was is torture. And it fits exactly. So that's it on the screen as everyone's seeing it, just to make sure everyone is understanding this, because it's very important. It fits what's going on now with the torture and rape gangs. There's a particular part of this, it's a tiny section of law. There would be none of this nonsense of a judge, for example, saying on a guilty verdict, I'll give you probation, I'll give you a fine, or I'll send you to prison for 6 months. At Section 6, it clearly states the person who commits the offence of torture shall be liable on conviction on indictment to imprisonment for life. It's a mandatory all-life sentence. Now, the key part of this legislation is, so there's two parts that I'll read out. One, a public official or person acting in an official capacity, whatever his nationality, commits the offence of torture if in the United Kingdom or elsewhere he intentionally inflicts severe pain or suffering, two elements to it, so they can be separate because there's an or in the law, right? On another in performance or purported performance of his official duties. So most people read the first part and say, yeah, so what's that got to do with it? That's for individuals that are actual public officials. Section 2 says a person not falling within this subsection 1 above commits the offence of torture, whatever his nationality, if A, in the United Kingdom or elsewhere he intentionally inflicts severe pain or suffering on another, at the instigation or, there's that little or again, with the consent or acquiescence of a public official or a person acting as an official in an official capacity, and the official or other person is performing or purporting to perform his official duties when he instigates the commission of the offence or consents or acquiesces to it, right?